Number 1. 1985 Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide, $5,600, Crown Point, Indiana. The 1985 Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide is a distinctive factory custom model that combines classic Harley styling with the performance character of the 1340cc Evolution engine. This example has 24,000 original miles and features an upgraded cam, pistons, carburetor, and exhaust, along with a DNA Springer front end and brake. The original Wide Glide front end and additional parts are included, while the tires and brakes are described as like new, and all fluids were recently changed. With both kick and electric start, this clean and unusual Wide Glide offers plenty of appeal for enthusiasts looking for a distinctive vintage Harley with strong mechanical character. Number 2. 1978 Suzuki GS1000E, $3,800, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. The 1978 Suzuki GS1000E is a classic Japanese superbike that combines strong four-cylinder performance with the distinctive styling of late 1970s Suzuki motorcycles. This example shows 27,406 miles and has received extensive professional attention, including a coated and painted fuel tank, rebuilt and synchronized carburetors, new Delcovic exhaust, fresh oil and filters, and a new battery installed in October 2025. The tires are also in new condition, while the brake fluid has been changed and the original seat was repaired by the previous owner. For enthusiasts looking for a well-maintained vintage superbike with important mechanical and cosmetic work already completed, this GS1000E offers an attractive package at $3,800. Number 3. 1979 BMW R80, $3,450, Elk River, Minnesota. The 1979 BMW R80 represents the classic boxer twin character that has made vintage BMW motorcycles so popular among riders and collectors. This example has only 20,084 miles and is described as running well, although the seller notes that it needs fresh gas and has not been ridden since last summer. The motorcycle was originally planned for a cafe racer conversion, but changing plans have left the project available for its next owner. With its low mileage, traditional BMW engineering, and potential for either preservation or customization, this R80 could be an interesting choice for an enthusiast looking for an affordable vintage BMW with plenty of possibilities. Number 4. 1975 Honda CB750 Supersport, $3,000, Circle Pines, Minnesota. The 1975 Honda CB750 Supersport carries the legendary CB750 name with the classic styling and strong four-cylinder performance that helped define an important era of Japanese motorcycling. This example is described as a strong-running classic that starts easily, pulls well through the gears, shifts smoothly, and rides as it should, without needing major mechanical work. A clean title is also included, making the purchase process straightforward for the next owner. For enthusiasts who want a classic Honda that can be ridden and enjoyed rather than taken on as a major project, this CB750 Supersport offers a very appealing combination of vintage character, usability, and a $3,000 asking price. Number 5. 1985 Moto Guzzi California 2, $2,500, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1985 Moto Guzzi California 2 offers a distinctive Italian take on the classic touring cruiser, combining a 949cc V-twin with the famous Tonti frame and a long wheelbase designed for comfortable road riding. This example has 92,000 miles and features custom paint, a Swanee airfoil fairing, Russell Day-Long King and Queen seat, DB bags with guards, and a Wixom top case. The seller describes it as an unusually complete and distinctive motorcycle, with cast wheels and a nimble character despite its substantial touring equipment. With a clear Indiana title and a $2,500 asking price, this California 2 could be an intriguing choice for riders looking for a rare vintage Guzzi with plenty of personality and long-distance appeal. Number 6. 1978 Yamaha SR500, $20,000, Shawnee, Kansas. The 1978 Yamaha SR500 is a classic single-cylinder motorcycle known for its simple design, lightweight character, and unmistakable vintage Yamaha styling. This example shows 9,321 miles and has always been stored indoors, with new tires, tubes, and chain already fitted. The seller previously had the motorcycle running and stopping about 6 years ago and purchased it with the intention of returning it to the road. It has some normal wear, pitting, and dents in the black tank, while an additional purple tank with minor dents is also included. With a Missouri title and a straightforward mechanical layout, this SR500 could be an interesting restoration project for someone looking to bring a classic Yamaha back to riding condition. Number 7. 1967 BSA Chopper, $4,000, Clearwater, Florida. This 1967 BSA Chopper offers a completely custom take on classic British motorcycle character, combining a rigid frame with a raked and extended Durfee girder front end and custom front disc brakes. The motorcycle is powered by a twin-carbureted 650cc BSA Spitfire engine and features a custom right-side hand shifter with a distinctive beer topper handle. The seller describes it as a one-of-a-kind build with a clean title in the seller's name and notes that it has been ridden locally. With its unique design, handcrafted details, and strong vintage chopper personality, this BSA could be an interesting choice for experienced enthusiasts looking for something truly different. Number 8. 1980 Kawasaki KZ750, $4,200, Valley, Nebraska. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ750 combines classic Japanese four-cylinder performance with the distinctive styling and mechanical character of Kawasaki's late 1970s and early 1980s motorcycles. This example shows 13,332 miles and has received extensive attention from the current owner, including a complete carburetor service and a DynoJet Stage 1 kit, while a Stage 3 kit is also included. 4 new JBM Industries diaphragms were installed, along with fresh O-rings, gaskets, and vacuum and fuel lines. The full Kawasaki service manual and original parts are included as well. Described as running fantastic, this KZ750 offers a strong starting point for someone seeking a well-sorted vintage Japanese motorcycle. Number 9. 1956 Harley-Davidson Pan shovel, $8,500, Elizabethtown, Kentucky. The 1956 Harley-Davidson Pan shovel represents an interesting chapter in Harley-Davidson history, combining the classic character of the panhead era with the later shovelhead-style top-end configuration. This example is listed in good used condition and is described as a great-running kickstart-only motorcycle with a distinctly old-school setup. It features an S&S E carburetor and 12-volt electronic ignition, adding some practical upgrades while retaining its vintage personality. With its early Harley heritage, traditional appearance, and straightforward mechanical character, this pan shovel could be an appealing choice for collectors and experienced riders who appreciate authentic old-school American motorcycles. Number 10.
1972 Yamaha CS5 $700, Woodward, Oklahoma. The 1972 Yamaha CS5 is a rare and interesting lightweight Japanese motorcycle, often regarded as a forerunner to the popular RD 200 series. This example is offered as a restoration project and has good engine compression, while the seller expects that a new battery and carburetor cleaning could help bring it back to life. The motorcycle is missing its headlight, but its collectible character and relatively low asking price make it an intriguing project for vintage Yamaha enthusiasts. Offered with a bill of sale at just $700, this CS5 could be an affordable opportunity for someone looking to restore a distinctive piece of Yamaha history.